there, I wanted to give you a little tour of some of the holiday sets from Beautycounter, and these are limited edition. A lot of them have they have new fragrance, they have new colors, and I will go through real quickly. This set is wonderful for the bath. If you have somebody in mind that loves to take bath showers, this is a sugar scrub, and this is the wonderful illuminating oil, and it's in a new rose water scent. This is our very effective serum from Counter Time, and it comes with these massaging water balls that you put in the refrigerator, and you massage the serum in for even a better treatment. This is the overnight resurfacing peel and the body peel. These two are great best-selling products, and they really help your skin look and feel its best. These are our wonderful hand creams. They come in 3 different scents, and these are all clean. Of course, all our products are super clean and high performing. This is a serum for underneath your makeup or alone. It's called Glow First Priming Serum, and this is our Cheeky Cream Blush in a new shade, which is beautiful, and I'll show you that. And it can be used for blush. You can also put a little bit of that on your lips. And these 3 are amazing, very wonderful products. Lotus Cleansing Balm, one of our best sellers, and it's a cleansing balm and a multitasker. This is a wonderful new ceramide cream for the day and night, and it helps plump the skin and moisturize. And this is the AHA mask, and this is an amazing product. You put this on before you go out or do something important, and you really look good. Your face is glowing. This is our Glow Makeup Lid Glow, new color on that. And this is back again. We have a great little highlighter to put above your cheeks and around the outside of your face. This is our wonderful hydrating, it's like a lip gloss and conditioner, and this is a mini mascara, clean mascara. Comes in this cute little pouch. So let me know if there's anything of interest. I will help you shop. For anybody on your holiday list, please shop early because these sets do not last, and there's even more. So let me know if you're interested. Thanks.